I couldn't complain. Paminsan kung nadali kayo dyan, day, masakit yan, dugo. So parang kumakapal siya ng 2 more inches. Gulong niya. It's the roll easy wheel ng World Traveler. Quality. Babagsakan pa ako ni Sisi eh. But oh my gosh, the build quality here. Ang tigas ng polycarbonate niya. But what's good about it as well is hindi nagkakalat, sumasabog lahat ng gamit mo. For mga 2 years ko na itong plinano and thank you so much for your support kasi finally nagawa ko rin naman siya. Hey guys, so welcome to another vlog. And I think this is the vlog na pinag-aabangan nyo. Nandito na lahat ng mga maleta na binili ko guys, di ba? So parang lahat to binili ko rin, syempre, depending on the price range that you have. Now, it took me some time to record this video because sobrang importante sa akin na dapat i-test out ko siya. I know that the previous video na panood nyo, I was talking about the Minami. So yes, nandito na siya. Then I also bought new luggages as well doon sa Lazada. Lahat po to, just to preview, I bought it all with my own money. So all of these Lazada luggage, ang una ko tiningnan, sino ba yung top rated? Sino yung top reviewed as well? At saka sino yung parang binabalikan? So because when you look at Lazada, makikita mo dyan, okay, ito yung maraming bumibili, ito naman yung top rated, ito naman yung maraming reviews, parang maganda yung review niya. And guys, all of this, chinek-in ko siya. So very important sa akin na try ko i-check-in. So marami ako mga videos dito na isa-splice sa loob para mapakita sa inyo. So we're going to do all of that. I will show you all of those luggages and iisa-isahin natin. First and foremost, will definitely be the Minami one. So this Mimani luggage, if I'm not mistaken, ito yung unang natin luggage. This is 1,230 pesos. This one is the big size. Check-in size kasi natin to, guys. If I'm not mistaken, mga 26, 27, 28 inches tong bag na to. Kasi check-in size natin siya. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, let's wait for her bag. So, tingnan natin, guys, kung buhay pa siya. Hopefully, buhay pa ang bag. Guys, luggage test 1 is complete. Buhay yung bag. Not bad. Buhay pa siya. Perfect. Let's go. Medyo nadumihan lang siya because of the color, but buhay. In fair. Guys, upo. In fairness, parang ayun. Hindi as sturdy as the laptop, pero parang hindi naman siya sturdy, guys. Not bad. Pero gaganit siya. Bubuka na dahil. Pero sinakaya pa. So, sa room na tayo, I wanna share with you this luggage. In fairness, medyo nasa 18, 15 kilos yung mga linagay ko dyan. Not bad. May mga scruff shots dito, but you can't help it. Ganun talaga yan, di ba? So, not bad. And then, inupuan ko rin kanina. Not bad din. And then, look, ganito ko siya kinukuha yung mga bags ko usually. Ganon. Tinataktak ko rin yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha? For example, ganun ako from the luggage counter. Ganito ko tinatest yung mga bags, guys. Ginaganon ko yan. Para alam kong matibay. Not bad. And then guys ha, ito yun ho. So punong-puno tong gamit ko ha. Ito yung laman niya talaga. Sorry, kita mo yung mga bag ko na dyan yan. Para lang makita yung laman niya. Oh, not bad ha. Okay, so guys, not bad naman yung bag. Pero, parang the more bibigat na bag, mas sturdy siya pag tinutulak mo ganito. But wala pa rin siyang problem ha. I mean, not bad pa rin siya for the price, for everything. Okay talaga siya, like ito binubuhat ko siya with one hand din. It's just that feeling ko mas not bad. Hindi lang siya as sturdy, let's say. Siyempre, you can't compare it with like a Rimowa. Pero ayun no, not bad pa rin siya. Down Taipei guys. And look, nandiyan na kagad yung bag ko. And mukha siyang buhay. So, looks good. Buhay siya. Hindi putol ang ating luggage. Perfect. Nakita niyo kung paano ko hinahampas yung bag? Buhay? Buhay. Perfect. I love it. Tibay mo ha, Mimani ha. Bag check. Okay, maraming gasgas, dumi, pero kayang i-wipe yan. Matibay. The lock still works. And then natin to. Pak, gumagana pa rin. Fairness, nakadalawang flight na to si Minami. And guys, the trip has come to an end. This is the look. Medyo marami na akong lagay kasi. So, okay pa naman yung itsura niya. So, let's see. Dapat mabuhay ka till Manila. So far, so good. Not bad to. And back home, papakita ko sa inyo, not bad. Wala masyadong damage yung luggage. Mga gas-gas, typical, but very matibay. I rate it thumbs up. Ang gusto ko to, matibay siya. Binagsak-bagsak ko pa yan ha. You survived the test. Next things next, what I got here is etong T-partner na to. If you're going to see this T-partner, ang dami ring bumibili nitong luggage na to. This is the T-partner luggage. Guard series siya. It's because aluminum yung frame mo dito. And then declasp naman to. Unlike the Mimani, it is not declasp, the zipper siya. This one is declasp. And guys, this one is at 2,539 pesos. And if talaga nakikita nyo, ang daming tao bumibitbit nitong T-partner luggage na to, Guard series to, I agree. Sobrang dami talaga. As in, nung nag-Japan ako, ito yung dinala ko, ang dami talaga nakaganitong bag. And sabi ko, now I know bakit. It's because marami talagang tao bumibili nito. Marami kasi mga Filipinos yung kasabay ko. So nakikita ko and medyo ma-notice kasi ako when it comes to those things. So nakita ko ang dami. Now I know why. For 2,500 pesos, guys, sobrang tibay nito. Ito, inuupuan ko, hindi siya yumuyugyug. It's because aluminum yung kanilang wireframe dito. 29 inches pala to. Mas mataas siya ng konti kay Mimani na 28 inches. This is 29 inches. Check-in size rin po to. And then, I also now have the T-Elephant. This one is the T-Elephant luggage. This one, check-in pa rin siya. It's smaller. This one is at 24 inches naman. It's 1,529 pesos. Now, ito, highly rated rin to. It's because it's called Island Elephant. Lagi ko itong nakikita, di ba, on whatever shop it is, lagi ko nakikita tong Island Elephant na to. So sabi ko, okay, gusto ko siyang makita. Now, ito, in fairness, what I love about this is ang ganda ng itsura niya. Very similar siya to a Rimowa look because still mo, meron siyang plastic shell here. And then the zipper naman to. Pero guys, ang ganda ng itsura, look and feel niya. Very classy. Why did I get a 24 inches? Chinek-in ko rin to kasi hindi po to pwede pang hand carry. It's because, syempre, gusto ko makita na mabugbugin sila. Di ba? When nakikita natin, check-in natin siya, for sure, di ba, it goes on the conveyor belt. Medyo hindi sila maalagaan. Kaya makikita mo may mga gas. So, in fairness. So this one is 1,529 pesos. It's hard. It's all parang medyo polycarbonate rin yung itsura niya. Not that bad. I'll go on the review each one. Iisa-isahin ko naman siya later. Pero pinapakita ko lahat ng mga pumasa. Basically, ito yung mga pumasa sa akin. There is a luggage na hindi pumasa. I will not be including it in the video. So that's why ang guide na to is really just ano yung pumasa sa akin. I will give you all the pros and cons per luggage as well to help you decide as well.
So guys, the bags are packed. This is the T-partner one, and then this is the Island Elephant. So, tibay. Ito medyo maraming laman. Ito wala masyadong laman. So, tingnan natin kung mayupi sila o mabasag sila sa trip. But, so far, I like these two. But guys, alam mo, for the benefit of you, ganito ko talaga noon. If mabigat to, ganito ko siya tinatry out. Para malaman talaga natin kung matibay. Sorry, Habi. Nagising ka. Sorry. Guys, proof na. I use it to check in. And we're riding PAL this time. And guys, I'm checking it in ha. Dalawa sila. Guys, ayun na yung luggage one. Buhay. And another one. I think this is it. In fairness guys, buhay. Love it. And makuha ko yung jacket ko palabas. Okay. Perfect. I have to get my jacket. Guys, buhay na buhay ang luggage ko. And magko-customs na ako. Guys, so far maganda yung pagtulak ha. Hindi ako nahihirapan. Dalawa yan ha. Ganun ang pagmamahal ko sa inyo. Char. But thank you for the support. Guys, we're going to ride the bus. And then, ito yung dalawang bag ko. In fairness, guys, tibay nito. Kahit ito ang ganda. Can I say, ito may mga gas, pero not bad. Mamaya, maglalakad pa tayo sa Namba, papunta sa hotel. So, guys, ito wala na tong laman. Kasi nilabas ko yung jacket ko, pero pa uwi. Bugbog yan. Walang laman, tayong upuan. Not bad. Tibay. Also guys, usually isa lang bag ko. Pero this trip nagdalawa talaga ako because I wanted to try the luggage. So, dalawa ko siyang tinutulak and then yung backpack ko, linagay ko siya sa taas. Ganun ko tinutulak siya sa street and now I'm going to the airport bus area. So, yan. Ganun yung itsura niyan. Okay guys, lakad na tayo. Perfect ways ko na naman. Buhay siya. Diba, that's why the hook there. Pwede mo i-hook yung bag mo with that. It's alive guys, alive. Guys, diba? Ang ganda, boy sila both. A little scruff. And by the way, ito yung hook. Di mo, pwede rin to i-hook dito. Ganyan ang use niyan. Diba? Tara, cute.
Okay, and then, the last one sa Lazada na binili ko will be this one. Last dumating, so if everyone buy this, ito rin yung pinaka-ibang itsura. This is called the CC luggage. Now, if you see this, trunk po to, di ba? Meaning trunk shell siya, aluminum rin po yung kanyang frame. Hindi aluminum lahat, aluminum yung frame niya. Very similar siya kay T-Partner. Now, this one will be the most expensive amongst the 5. So, it's at 7,200 pesos. But because marami ako mga sale na pinili, mga vouchers, coupon, nag-sale siya. This one became 5,980 pesos. 30 inches to. Ito yung pinakamalaki sa kanila. Ito yung pinakamaraming mailalagay rin. And guys, this is a trunk. So iba yung setup niya. It's still a clamshell, pero trunk siya. Trunk kasi guys, para siyang treasure chest, di ba? Mas maliit yung taas compared sa bottom. All the others are just the 50-50 na clamshell, yung parang bumubukas ng ganon. So this one is CC. Ang ganda ng color. Puros lahat ng bags na to, if you notice, a lot of them have the heavy tag nung chinek-in namin because naka 30 kilos mga to, mga 28, 29. Talagang we filled it up to the brim para lang i-make sure na, okay, matibay talaga siya. Because at the end of the day, guys, gusto natin yung sure tayo matibay.
So guys, eto na yung bag ko. Walang gasgas naman. Eto, wala naman masyado. Looks good. I'm in Beijing na. Ayun, konti. Pero typical wear and tear yan eh. Kasi binitbit mo, chinek-in mo. The locks are good. Guys, wala talagang masabi. Ganda-ganda talaga ako dito. Ay, ako yung version ko pumutok, sumabog. Ay, hindi. Galing. Pak. So guys, paalis na ako and I wanna show you. This is the CC bag. Medyo abusado na siya ngayon. I know na sabihin nyo, grabe naman, Jax. I kinda love this Ang ganda talaga nitong bag na to. One of the best purchase, I must say. Medyo marami kasi naman akong dalang at biniling mga damit. That's why it's like squeezing it in will be a bit hard. Ito yung mga problem with these hard shell na clasp eh. Kailangan, sobrang ganda ng pagka... Ayan, medyo hirap na tayo. So, ayusin ko siya ng konti. Nasara ko, guys. Diba? Ang bigat kong tao, guys. Diba? Ganyan ang gusto kong mga maliit.
I have to still mention all of my trusty old luggage. This is the World Traveler. I've been using this for almost 3 years na. 3 years plus na siya. You've seen bugbog na bugbog to. Never siyang nasira. Never siyang bumigay. Okay na okay sa akin yung gulong niya. This is the World Traveler Lapland. This one is quite expensive because this is nasa 12,000, 13,000 pesos to. If ever hindi siya naka-sale. This is the medium plus size. Medium plus because guys, nasa 27 inches siya. Pero na-expand kasi siya dito sa gitna. So parang kumakapal siya ng 2 more inches. Kaya parang pwede mo siya maging large. That's why it's called medium plus. They call it medium plus kasi pwede siyang tumaba. Diba? But nasa 26, 27 inches lang siya na height. Parang ganun siya. Okay. And then, one more mention here. This is the replacement of my World Traveler na trunk. Diba? This is the Type A trunk. Na-replace siya because just for visibility at saka para alam nyo rin, nasira yung old trunk. Yung first model kasi ng trunk na yon, hooks to. So parang I think umiipit siya somewhere. So biglang bumiyak to. So now they said na, okay, re-replace nila siya and then further improve pa nila to. By the way, this was gifted to me, World Traveler na to. Gifted to. This one, if I'm not mistaken, this is nasa 15,000, 16,000 pesos. But I'll show you na, ito yung lagi nyo nakikita, yung color blue ko dati. This is the newer version and I'm gonna tell you, basta, magaganda pa rin yung mga World Traveler. This is the more splurge edition talaga because mas mahal talaga tong dalawang brand. But if I'm gonna tell you, wala rin akong problema sa kanila. Now, I'll go through each one of the luggage. And of course, when I go through each one of the luggage, you can definitely see, nandiyan yung mga links down below as well. So if ever, guys, nakatulong yung video, you can definitely use my link. Pero if not, by all means, just go to your Lazada app or Shopee app or whatever app you might want. Tingnan nyo kung saan naman mas mura. Okay, so this one is the Mimani luggage, di ba? As you can see, eto lahat siya. Meron siya mga bakal dito on the corners. There's just two to help reinforce the corners. Di ba? Para hindi siya masira. May hook siya dito para doon sa plastic bags mo if ever you want to carry. Now, zipper niya is ganito. It's not the pinakamakapal na zipper out there, but it works. Wala akong masabi. Meron rin siyang lock dito. It's not TSA lock, but it has a lock. Now, if bumigay man tong mga locks na to, I usually don't use these locks kasi paminsan bumibigay siya. Definitely just lock it using other lock. Yung mga katulad ng binibili ko, yung mga retractable lock, pwede naman yon, or bumili ka na lang ng own padlock mo. Now, when you open this bag, ang kanyang loob kasi, it's just two different sides. Yung isang side mo, naka-zip siya. So this one, if you close it, di ba, mas hindi bumibigay yung gamit mo. While the other side here, the garter. So, when you open the bag, ito lang yung parang hindi nagfo-fall yung mga gamit sa loob. It would be better if dalawa siya naka-de-zipper, but syempre that would be more expensive. Eh, kaya nga 1,000 plus siya, not bad. Basta meron naman siyang garter na ganito, it can cinch it, tapos mapapisa lahat ng gamit mo. Okay pa rin naman, wala namang problema. The fabric here, not the best. Medyo cheap yung materials niya. But what I'm gonna tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. Sobrang nagulat ako dito. Inupuan ko rin to, guys. Wala akong masabi. Matibay siya. I mean, okay siya. It's not the best out there. When you see it, parang hindi siya yung tipong, oh my God, ang ganda ng quality. Grabe, sobrang ganda. It's more of like, Steads. Alam ko 1,000 plus pesos siya. But, hindi siya bumigay sa akin. Kinaladkad ko siya sa Taiwan when I had that trip. Buhay siya sa akin. The best ba siya kung kakaladkarin ko siya? Ox lang siya. It's because the gulong niya, kung nakita nyo, 4 na gulong pa rin naman siya, 360 rin naman siya. But because it's quite small, I won't say na it's the best when you're going to carry it out. Parang kaya siya, pero hindi lang siya the best. Yung parang buttery smooth. Hindi siya ganon. But, I'm telling you, for 1,200 plus pesos, I couldn't complain. Inupuan ko to. Ayan. Medyo malambot lang siya, pero pag puno siya, walang problema. Kaya niya. I think for everything, for the price, if you're really looking for a luggage na medyo, you just need a luggage, di ba? Wala kang masyadong pakialam. Tapos, eto yung budget mo lang, 1,000 plus pesos. This is not bad. I mean, ox. Ganon. Gusto ko siya i-rate ng ox. Ganon. I wanna now go to, yung mga zip muna tapusin natin, lahat ng mga zipper. This is the other zipper. This is the Island Elephant. So this one, dinala ko siya sa Thailand trip ko. Plus, dinala ko rin to sa Japan trip ko. This one, meron kang luggage hook dito sa harapan. So you can put your paper bag, tapos dihang siya dito. Ganun siya. This one, on their corners, it's not metal, but it's hard plastic. So parang very Rimowa hybrid yung kanyang atake. Now, zippers nito, mas matibay than the Mimani. Mas makapal siya. So, I'm gonna tell you, this one's kinda, medyo mas matibay siya ng konti. You have your lock here, but this is not TSA lock. So again, it's not TSA lock, meaning hindi siya yung parang nabubuksan ng US airport, di ba? Medyo you have to be careful with that if you're gonna lock it kasi USA always wants you to open their luggage, di ba? If you're going to open the zip here naman, this one, very similar ang kanyang laman with the Mimani. Di ba? Yung atong fabric niya, medyo mas social naman ng konti. Parang mas level up siya ng konti. But again, one side is zipped, the other side is not. It's the garter. Yung zip luggage niya, guys, buo. Diba? And then, meron kang one more zip pocket lang dito sa loob. Just to keep all of your different things na para hindi lang siya malaglag. And then the other side, naka-garter. Now, yung gulong niya kasi, it's very similar to the Mimani. Diba? Yes, 360. When I was carrying this, yung gulong niya, paminsan, parang may, hindi lang siya as smooth. Kasi mo, okay naman siya pag ganito, di ba? Pag nakikita natin. Pero hindi lang siya as smooth as, even ko compare ko siya kay Mimani, I felt that the Mimani one, di ba? Ayan o, mas maganda yung gulong niya compared to this one. Di ba? But this one, yung build quality niya, guys, sobrang mas maganda versus the Mimani. As in, yung eto kasi, alam mong ang lambot. Diba? Ito kasi parang ang lambot talaga nito eh. Parang yung ganyan, oh, parang ayan, oh, bibigay siya ng ganyan. Pero kaya nga nagulat ako sa price niyan. This one, you know it's sturdy. Mas makapal yung plastic na ginamit niya talaga dito. So, if you're gonna buy the bigger one, I'm sure, mas pag inupuan mo to, hindi talaga bibigayan compared to the Mimani. Hindi nga bumigay yung Mimani, but still, guys, this one, I'm sure, mas kaya niya kanya. Because ang kapal talaga. Like this one, the plastic niya, ang kapal talaga, guys. Wala akong problema dito. 'Di ba? This one, kaya mas mahal din siya ng konti kay Mimani. It's because the build quality is a notch higher. 'Di ba? Kay Mimani. Island Elephant. Now, syempre, I'll go with the T-partner. So, eto guys, yung T-partner na to, I wanna show it to you. And I wanna spend time because eto, now we move on to one of the pinaka-sturdiest na nakita ko. And nung nakita ko siya, personally, the look is not something that I like. The itsura nitong luggage na to, hindi siya something na style ko, to be honest. Parang nababulkihan ako sa kanya. But again, if we're just going to look at luggage, wala ka naman pakialam, eh, go for it, diba? Bakal sides niya, 4 dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to the Mimani na 2 lang. Declasp to for a lot of people that says that they want a clasp bag locking system. Go. Personally, I like the zip. It's because yung zip kasi, pag zinip mo siya sa loob ng 360, pag inupuan mo yung luggage mo, mas madali mo siyang isara. Yung clasp kasi, bawal maiipit-ipit sa gilid na mga gamit, or pag hindi mo masyadong ayusin yung pag-pack, kung nagbo-bulge in one side, mahirapan ka i-clasp. But again, I get the safety na parang if mag-clasp ka, mas hindi pwedeng tusukin ng ballpen, yung mga ganon. I get it. So it really just depends on your preference. I get na yung mga zippers, kung hindi siya yung double coil, yung mga ganon, kayang tusukin ng ballpen. Yes, the Mimani at saka itong T-partner, hindi double coil yung zipper niya, meaning hindi yung parang 2 zipper in one zip. So, pwede, may chance na pwedeng tusukin. Pero, right now, basta don't put valuables on your check-in bag. Yun lang yung pinaka-importante sa akin. And yun yung pinaka-importante tips ko sa inyo as well. Okay, open lang natin itong mga luggage na to. May 2 locking system siya. So, it's all the number lock. So, 3 numbers yan to keep your things safe. T-partner, sa harapan niya, meron ka pa rin yung panglagay ng plastic mo. Plastic bag, paper bag, para at least pwede mong i-drag. Then, it zips to the original side niya, yung parang hawakan dito. Plus, you have one more here as well. Okay? Now, when you open this bag, guys, it's very similar to the... May ampaw dito. Happy Chinese New Year in advance. Naiwan namin yan. Okay, so it has 2 sides pa rin naman siya. One side niya is the zip, and then the other side mo here is yung bakante again. So guys, ito siya, diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko na hindi siya de-zip. Ito yung babang side niya. Now, with this luggage, guys, mag-ingat kayo dito sa mga sides na to, yung matutulis nilang mga ngipin dito. Paminsan kung nadali kayo dyan, masakit yan, masusugat kayo. And pag nasugat kayo, dugo. So, yun yung ingatan nyo sa mga declasp, ha? Okay. Guys, alam niyo yung hinahampas ko yung bag. It's because ganito talaga if we're gonna test things out. Now, the thing here is nung nakuha ko tong bag na to, guys, hindi siya, yung zipper ko dito, bungi medyo may chismis, sira. But ginamit ko pa rin siya because again, kailangan ko na siya i-review for you guys. Now, the zip niya is the same. Bubukas to, shows you one side. This one, you can close it. Tapos there's one more big pocket in the middle just to put all your different things inside. Ganun lang siya. Ito. Fabric nito, mid. But again, guys, for me kasi, yung loob, you don't really care about it eh. Loob lang naman siya eh. I mean, basta may zipper, kaya malagay yung mga gamit mo, go, push. Yung fabric niya, medyo parang, mas mababang quality yung fabric niya sa Island Elephant. But guys, one thing that I can say na mas maganda to sa Island Elephant, and now I know bakit, mas binibili ito ng mga Filipinos at saka natin, it's because the gulong. Kahit guys ha, mukhang maliit tong gulong niya na to. Ito ha, 8 naman rin siya. Pag talagang pinaikot-ikot mo siya, ang ganda. Tingnan mo yung ikot. Oh, ganda. Tapos pag inupuan, diba? Tapos naubusan na ako ng battery sa microphone. And of course guys, I'm back na. And ito naman will be CC. This one is one of the greatest finds. I must be honest. Like, nung nakita ko siya, ang ganda ng quality niya. Yes, the most expensive siya amongst the four and a lot of it. But guys, for the price na nasa 5,000 plus ko siya nakuha, you have a luggage cover here nung dineliver siya. But oh my gosh, the build quality here. Ang tigas ng polycarbonate niya. Parang Rimowa. Tapos, without the Rimowa price. The clasp siya here, tatlong clasp lock. Yung hawakan mo dito, even the stroller or the aluminum mo na handle dito. Guys, you have one more here na parang luggage handle or holder. 8 rin yung kanyang gulong here, 360. Guys, I'll just share it to you. But ito yung panalo. My gosh, the organization sa loob. I'm telling you, ang ganda. Can you just see it? Oh. Ibaba ko siya now, ha? Ang gulo ng review na to, Jax Reyes. Ano na? Quality. Babagsakan pa ako ni Sisi, eh. Quality. The fabric inside, ang ganda. One pocket. One more big pocket here. Plus a zipper here. Zip pocket here. Zip pocket here ulit. Ito, waterproof lining. So, pag basa yung damit mo, basa yung gamit mo, toiletries mo, pwede mo ilagay dyan. And then, guys, ito yung sinasabi ko. Zip rin on this side. Quality. Ang ganda. And then, pag maghahanap ka ng gamit mo, di ba? Ang ganda. Ang dali mong hahanapin because ibabagsak mo siya sa baba. Di ba? Bagsak mo. Aray! Naipit. Yun sinasabi ko. Buksan mo. Pag binuksan mo siya, guys, hanapin mo yung gamit pa siya. And then, di ba pag binuksan mo, hindi siya lahat bubukas sa sabog. It's because may zipper pouch. Di ba? To hold everything when you open this or kung sa kabilang side ka. Di ba? Or pag nakatayo ka ng ganito, pwede rin. Sige, paano bubuksan? Sige. Di ba? Bubuksan mo on one side, pwede. Dito ka maghanap ng gamit. And then, aluminum line to. So, here is the aluminum lining niya here. Sabihin mo, Jax, sinupuan mo ba siya? Yes! Of course! And, gulong, kamusta? I must say, ito is one of my favorite, one of the best finds na nakita ko. Yes, yesterday this was 30 kilos. Nakita niyo itong tag na to, 30 kilos yan. Walang problema, buhay pa yung maleta. Talagang binugbog ko talaga yung mga maleta na yan. Kaya today ko na siya shidot kaagad. Kasi guys, para at least maparelease na natin itong video na to kasi I'm sure kukulitin niyo ako eh. And then, don't forget my trusty old World Traveler Lapland. Nandito pa rin naman to. Huwag natin siyang ibibigay at kakalimutan. Unlike sa kanila, ito may TSA lock. Mas quality pa rin naman zipper niya here. Handles yan. I know ang daming mga stickers dito, guys. But I'm telling you, this is really one of my favorite. But the gulong nito, siya yung may pinakamalaking gulong amongst all of my different luggage as well. And guys, here, like the Lapland or World Traveler, dalawa siyang zip. So you know, mas quality talaga because tingnan mo yung zip niya, iba-iba rin. Dalawa pa compartment mo dito for their zipper. So this fabric niya, syempre, alam mo, iba. Di ba? I mean, if mas mahal yung bayad mo, for sure, you get what you pay for. Iba talaga yung gulong rin ng World Traveler na to. Tingnan mo naman. It's because ang laki talaga ng gulong niya. And this is the same that goes with the Taipei trunk. Kaya bakit I was also promoting this, it's because the trunk niya, ng gulong niya, it's the roll easy wheel ng World Traveler. Kaya ang laki talaga. Now, this is the trunk ng World Traveler. I would say, even si Jazz, my sister, favorite niya to. Iba, ang dami kasi pwedeng ilagay. And what I love about kay World Traveler Taipei trunk na to, yung eto niya kasing taas, mas maliit. So if we're going to just show it to you right now, because mas maliit yung taas niya, mas malalim tong babang side niya. You can put so much more things here. And still with World Traveler, guys, meron siyang dalawang zip pouch. Diba? So parang pang cinch mo to, pang pisa mo na siya ng gamit. But what's good about it as well is hindi nagkakalat, sumasabog lahat ng gamit mo. Now, with the new version nito, guys, meron na siya nitong hooks. Dati kasi, di ba, bumubuka na lang siya. But dito, guys, if maliit yung luggage and space mo, especially kung nasa Japan ka, ang ganda nito. At least now, you see na, okay, kaya niyang mag-stand on its own. O, di ba? And guys, with World Traveler, dalawa pa rin zip pouch mo here. And then here, guys, nandyan pa rin yung iyong other side na mas maliit. And you have your dust cover. World Traveler will always give a dust cover in whatever luggage you're going to buy. So guys, ito yung itsura mo. This is the Taipei trunk. And guys, TSA lock pa rin naman siya here as well. And then, ang zipper niya, makapal to, double coil. The same with the Lapland. So, hindi siya yung natutusok mo ng ball pen as well. Inuupuan ko ba to? Yes, guys, inuupuan ko rin to. Wala akong issues with that. Yung mga World Traveler ko, guys, inuupuan ko talaga. Saan to galing? I'm sure hindi siya galing dito. It's galing somewhere. Saan kaya to galing? Now, we've seen all of those different luggage, guys. Ito lang naman yung parang quick guide ko. Now, if you can try to splurge, I would rather you go with the CC one. Parang kung limited na budget, the CC, the T-Partner, I get it. Maganda for me yung dalawang yon. Then, the Lapland of the World Traveler, if you can really splurge. The quality of the belt there, sobrang hands down ako dyan. Now, pinakamatipid, Mimani or the Island Elephant. After that will definitely be T-Partner. And then the T-Partner after that will be the CC. For me, sa totoo lang ha, the CC, ang ganda niyan eh. Parang, oh my gosh, parang top tier ko si CC right now. And then yung CC, ang daming mga different colors. Parang, gusto ko pa bumili ng isa pa. Gusto ko pa mag-try ng isa pang CC na yung typical normal lang. Because, ganda talaga ng quality niya, guys. Parang, I know, nakikita niyo, talagang sabi yung, I was like raving it with sa mga friends. Kasi ko, guys, ang ganda nito. For 5,900 pesos na bili ko, my gosh, what if may mga double-digit sale pa? I'm sure mas mura pa yan. So, ang ganda. Alam ko na ubusan na naman ako ng battery sa mic. But, guys, I hope talaga nakatulong tong video na to. If you like this video, let me know pag nagustuhan niyo mga ganitong video. I will try to do a lot of these things, but this was planned for mga 2 years ko na tong plinano, and thank you so much for your support kasi finally nagawa ko rin naman siya. Alam ko parang, sabi, Jax, ang dami mong maleta. Guys, okay lang, marami kang maleta kasi paminsan hindi mo rin alam kung kailan mo siya gagamitin. But I'm very happy na nagawa ko siya, finally. Ang tagal ko siya gustong gawin. And lagi yung sinasabi na valuable yun yung mga feedback when it comes to luggage. And again, guys, wala ako kinikilingan with all of these. I bought these luggage. The World Traveler was gifted, but I will not tell something na because binigay siya, maganda talaga siya. No. That's why it took me so long. It's because I really tested it out. I really tried it out before saying na okay siya. Lahat ng mga to, chinek-in ko. Lahat ng mga to in the recent 2 months, talagang whenever I have a trip, chinek-in ko siya. Pinapabugbog ko talaga rin siya. Hindi ko siya pinapalagyan ng fragile sticker para i-make sure lang na hindi nila alagaan when they're handling. It's not naman because gusto ko siyang sirain. It's because gusto ko, ang i-make sure ko doon is really, alam ko, pininayin natin siya. Yung talagang normal. Yung talagang ginamit siya. Rather than, alagaan natin ang ganyan. It's syempre, di ba, you trust me for my personal feedback, my personal experience. These are my personal experiences. And I hope naging makabuluhan tong video na to. And of course, maraming salamat sa support nyo, guys. If you like this video, comment down below kung ano pa gusto nyo makita. Definitely like the video, share it to your friends and families, hit that bell notification button if ever you like, pero sana oo, para you get notified every time I release a new video. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye, guys!